It's not every night mechanics bang their head against their bed because of mechanical nightmares. Sometimes it's every day. This customer brought their vehicle in stating that the headlights don't work after driving through a flood. This customer brought his vehicle back after receiving a new battery, complaining that the battery was draining power and wanted a refund. This customer brought their vehicle in stating that the engine was making a weird noise and wanted to know why. This customer brought their vehicle in stating that the car has an awful smell and can't figure out what's broken and why it smells so badly. This customer brought their vehicle in stating that there's a whooshing sound when going around corners and can't figure out why.
Do it! Can you start the video? No. Oh. Look at the water! Oh my god, dude, that's not real. Oh my.
This customer brought their vehicle in stating that there was a light flicking on the dash he wanted reset. The mechanic had to make sure which one he was referring to. This customer brought their vehicle in stating that they downshifted into second doing 80 miles an hour, and the pressure plate did this.
Yeah, let's see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Six pressure plate bolts in there.
This customer brought this car in demanding cheap used tires, which I think is the least of their problems considering the chassis is rusted out. This dealership just bought this vehicle, and upon further inspection after the sale was done, they found it had been in a crash and they had done everything to stop the non-functioning airbags from being displayed. This customer brought their vehicle in stating that there's an extremely loud noise coming from the rotors. The entire mechanic's workshop street could hear the noise.
Customers complaining about a loud noise coming from the front right wheel.
This customer brought their vehicle in stating that they had just installed rotors and brake pads, securing them with Gorilla Glue, and were confused why the car was making noises when braking. This customer brought their vehicle in stating that they need a wheel alignment for free, stating they can use their truck for pictures if they do the job right. This customer brought their new Subaru in after modding it themselves. They wanted an oil change to fix the noise coming from the engine. This customer brought their vehicle in after their ex-boyfriend had stolen it and cut it to pieces, but not before dumping sugar in the fuel tank. This customer brought their vehicle in after getting a flat and wanted a cheap and easy tire patch kit to fix it. This customer brought in their vehicle stating that they just had their brakes changed by another shop down the road and felt like the brakes still weren't very responsive. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more mechanical nightmares.